tonight. Yeah, so don't mind me how I look right now. I'm super excited. You don't know, big up to everybody, but my YouTube plaque finally reached. So the YouTube plaque actually they're right about now, and I'm going to the gate to collect it. I'm super excited, like damn. Yeah, blessed love, respect, manners and love always. Yeah, brother, I one of the most excited packages I may ever get in my life.
My email.
Look at this, baby. You know how important this is. Look at the man. That is it. Yo. Yo. Don't joke, don't doubt, brother. Yeah. Yeah, Godfather. Yeah, she say her matey there in the box. Yeah. Yeah, because how important that little box is. Oh my God.
Alright, so now never go sleep on the floor.
Godfather.
Nice place on the bed.
Yeah. Big up my teacher. Drive safe and respect. Hear that? One love and big up every time. Hear that? One love. Yeah, massive. Don't. Yeah, Lexi. Yeah, don't buy no me look. Don't buy no me look. You see that baby? Yeah, you see that baby? You see that baby? You see that baby? Yeah, that's something. Yo, 100,000 subscriber plaque does reach massive. We are going to boss it. We are going to boss it. Look good now, man. Yeah. Don't joke. Don't doubt, brother me. Right to be yard. What are they? Wait there, man. No, sir. Yeah, we are the one on the come on, tear off it now, man. Massive, I don't know how excited baby right now. What do I do? What do I do? Trust me, what do I do? You know, go look at why I wait for it. I say, I don't mind how I look, I'm not even trim yet. Or not, because I told them I said I want to go shave up in and look fresh up in the yard, you know, for like see you come and say, for one day I just feel too ugly because someone hurt me a day with and now, you know, cool up the ear and bunch of things make Lexi normally comb my ear still, but Lexi actually make she do her nails and then so. Yeah, but look at this. Look good. From YouTube. So big up to YouTube. YouTube actually send it straight to my yard gate and thing. And I feel super excited. Actually them cover for everything. And it reached me straight in a Jamaica. Massive, look, them not even shave me here no comb and me no business. You see this? Lexi, yo, me glad yo. Da. See how the plants look at me all teared up the plant. Yo, come here run out. But yeah, and a joke thing. I feel super happy right now. Yeah, massive, fix it back. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, Lexi. I feel super good. Oh my God, look good now, man. Oh my word. Lisa, 100,000 subscriber platinum. We're going to put it together. Come here, Lexi, come. We don't business how we looking at that one. We don't business how we looking at that one. Oh God. You know, kiss me, give me a kiss. Pass me feel happy now. Come hug me up, man. Yeah, we did it. We did it, yes. Yeah. Mr. Bachu Bida, we have to run out. God know. I don't know what's my brother that time. Bachu Bida. Usually, I go in a bathroom, I come out of the bathroom because I'm a happy place, relaxed place. And when the man call me and say, they have a gate. So massive, you don't know, we have a great Xavier over yours. And Lexi here. So, we are getting Lexi the Anna. Put it on the, can put it on the floor, babe. Yeah. Big up to YouTube. Every time, you understand, mad love and respect. Super grateful for this. So all of my massive, we did it, and voila, we are gonna pull it together. See? Let's go.
Countdown.
After 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see what it looks like. All of we are gonna see what it looks like for the first time. Yeah, man, go on. Ready? Alright. So, you want to read what come up on it?
Do you remember your first subscriber, or your 100, or your 1000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. Who knows? When you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO.
You don't do a big up deal every time. So let's see what it looks like. Woo! Yeah!
One more.
Oh my God!
Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional.
Yeah.
This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick.
Mad thing. Big up Rick every time. Is it? Yes, sir. Oh my word. Look here, boy. Yay! Thank you so much to everybody. It is finally here. Yes, man. Pull it like say, woo, child. It is so beautiful. Oh my God, look at this baby. Jamaica walk by for passing 100,000 subscribers. I'm hunting. Yo, look at it. It is so nice. The material is so nice and thing. Yeah, no joke. Watch me now, watch me now. Look good, man. Yeah. Wanna know how hard it was to get 1,000 subscribers? Now we say 100,000 subscribers. Look good, man. Yeah, me the busy man. Look good. Me have a YouTube in my chest. YouTube in my chest like a super YouTuber. Look good. A bad thing. Look good. Yeah. Voilà, let me see if I can catch one of it up there. I saw them do it. Wait, we can catch a few. Let's see, which other one alone? Yeah, look good, man. Yeah. You don't know, big up Christmas list. Yeah. Big up Barwa, you don't know. Jason, Jada, Barry walking exercise. Big up 10th floor. Jason Sutherland, Daddy, you have Tara, big up, you don't know, Denny's, who else next? Give me some name. Give me some name. Some of my people for a long time. Long time. Splat Babylon, Niche, Marvin Sinclair.
Nishka Prince.
Nishka Prince, yeah.
Sam Rick.
Yeah, Sam Rickman. What I'm to Ricky Webster. Yeah. Yeah, we said David Sutherland. Yo, there's so much all on the important, but we just remember some of the name them were there for a long time. We're from way down there, so. You understand? Who? Urban Spice Kitchen. Yeah. You know, big up Jules CM Speed, big up all our new supporters them. You don't know Orient Freestyle, big up yourself. Yeah, we said just that Gina, make sure. You understand? All I know, no less important. We love all I know because I wanna make this possible. So if me not call on a name, I don't know where it go. But it reach. I feel super grateful. I can't not even do it. Feel look how beautiful this thing is. All I subscribe, all of the massive them we have.
Kiss her.
Instead of me asleep. Oh God, it's so beautiful. Yeah. So I say, big up to everybody. Big up to everybody who subscribe. I trust me, Lexi, I don't know how I feel like. We did it. Yeah. I don't even know what to say, but thank you so much. Thank you. I big up to YouTube every time. I continue to change people's life all over the world. YouTube. Big up every time. Much love, much respect. And big up to everybody who actually there in the world we are doing YouTube, and if you feel like it not work, just keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep working, don't stop. And you just might be celebrating like me. See me I say, big up to Lexi from day one. You understand? Lexi my partner in crime, big up from day one. And we did it. And we do it. Big up Extreme Arts, you don't know. Extreme Arts, big up yourself every time. Big up all of the massive them way. Been working with Jamaica, walk by throughout the year. You don't know, big up Magnet Fishing Jamaica. You don't know, big up yourself, my bro. Big up to so much people, like we can't even call the name them off of my head, but one no less important. You understand? 10th floor. Look good now, man. 10th floor, look now, man. You don't see it 10. Big up Belly. You don't know all of the massive. Yeah. No joke. As me say, everybody who support Jamaica walk by from start right that's how we reach a great thing. Kino life in Jamaica, big up yourself. You don't know, me always gonna say big up Christmas list. You don't know. Great motivator, me I tell you say. Boy, me just I don't know. Me just Kylie, look. Kylie, look. You know what this is? 100,000 subscriber plot. Look at it. It's beautiful, look at it. You touch it, yeah. So nice. Mad love, mad respect. I'm outside. Woo!